Digitalisation is all around us. The Internet of Things is developing rapidly. The expectation is that by 2030, more than 2/3 of all new sold cars will have self-driving features, and at least 1 out of 7 sold cars will be fully autonomous. The transition to Industry 4.0 will influence our manufacturing. Supply chains will become an integrated network. The sharing of information up and downstream on material properties and quality parameters will enable operational excellence and tailored products. This creates productivity and decreases defects and cost, accelerating design, manufacturing and delivery. Tata Steel develops digital services that will allow dynamic process control and full supply chain transparency in the future, making manufacturing processes more agile and products tailored to individual needs. Tata Steel, working with you on sustainable vehicles and value chains. Delivering value-adding services enabled by our strong expertise in materials, processing, data quality and analytics.